All right, let's get started setting up our charts. Here we are inside of TeamViewer for the first time. Now, I have done a little pre-work here. I did clear out my watch list. I do recommend that you do that. I have Bitcoin brought up as the main chart here. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our watch list. This is where you put your favorite coins, your favorite tokens, so that you can get to them very, very quickly without having to come up here and search all the time. So the first things first, we're going to start adding some. There's a little plus by the watch list. And if you don't have watch list right here, this little icon at the top, the very, very top one, will bring up watch list. We can click add symbol. We will create BTC USD. So I look for the code of the token or coin and the currency. So in this case is BTC USD. There is no space. And you can see here that I have Coinbase, Bitstamp, and a whole bunch of places I can pull my information from. In this case, I'm going to use Coinbase. Now you could use any of these, but I generally like to use Coinbase. Next, let's add Ethereum. So that's ETH USD. Once again, we have Coinbase. And let's say you're looking for something that's a little bit harder to find, something like a newer token. Let's use Shiba Inu, which is SHIB USD. And you can see here, there's only one listing that is USD. The rest are Tether. Now, Tether is fairly accurate, but I do prefer using the USD, so we'll add that. Now, in some cases, really new tokens will not show up here. That's just part of the way this works. They need to be listed on a major exchange for it to work properly with a USD or USDT pairing.